Let's start with a test of discovery. Let's say that I am interested in doing research on diabetes in women. I can go ahead and enter my keywords and I will try diabetes and women. You can find more information on why I'm using and by visiting our FAQs or visiting the Find Discovery link. You'll find information on how to use our Boolean operators. So I'm going to combine these two terms and see what we have available in Discovery, which, as I mentioned, will include a wide range of materials from articles to books to streaming video and all kinds of resources. It should bring you to a new page, and here I see that there are currently 976,266 results, which is a lot. I am not interested in sifting through that many resources, so I can go ahead and select from my limiters here on the sidebar. You can see what is available in the library, whether that is on the shelf or available online. If you're working from home and don't really want to come on campus, you can access our online resources. You can also limit to something like a peer-reviewed journal if you know that you need scholarly research. You can also select to limit by library. If you're currently at the Hubert Library, for instance, and you don't want to have to request an interlibrary loan, you can select the library that you visit most often and see what materials they have in their collection. So I will go ahead and select Hubert Library. I currently am in their location and I only want to see what they have. I can also now sift through these or go further, perhaps select subject. I'm interested in women's health, so I can go ahead and select that. And these are not necessary, but these can assist in your search. So bringing it down from just under 1 million to 2 results definitely makes it easier to search. So I'm going to go ahead and see which one of these books I'm most interested in. If I am more interested in women's health and optimizing health through nutrition, I'm going to go ahead and select this one and see where it lives. So here I can find if the book is available to request. I can sign in and request the book. We'll go over that later. I can see that the item is located at the Hubert Library. It is on the 3rd floor. Here's the call number, which is where the book lives. So I can locate the item and take it to the front desk and check it out. So that is how you find a book through here. Let's go ahead. I'm going to reset my filters, bringing us back to that very first page. Let's say that I'm actually interested in finding materials online. So I can actually see that this one up here, number 1, is online, or I can limit to just available online, just as an example. So here you have materials that are only available online. Again, makes it easier for you to search and limit your results. Let's go ahead and see this one. So this is actually available both as an item at the FIU Green Library and as an available online material. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on available online, and it will show me where the item is available online. You'll see this FIU users view content here link when an item is available somewhere online for an FIU user. If you click through, it will take you to that item. Because this is a government resource, it's actually an openly online government resource page. This was actually from the CDC. So you'll be able to access the materials and just read them online.